Mercedes-Benz Axo 2528 with a Thermo King fridge unit T800R with good tires, no oil leak on the engine, the gearbox and the diff. It's ready to work. Tech Exo. It's ready to go out there and make you money. As you can see, the tires are still in good condition. We remove batteries every time when a unit comes in. This unit actually came in from Fast and Fresh Imperial Logistics. 2528 Axo, ready to work for you and make you money. It's for those investors who got a good eye at investing, those guys who know when to invest, what time, date and minute. But all I can tell you, an investment is always an investment, especially when you're investing in trucks. There is no better time to invest in the beginning of the year, because the deals are still great, prices are still fine. No one knows where the market is going, but when the contracts start going out, you make money, you get rewarded. You can pick up this unit, take it to Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya, DRC, Zimbabwe, Mozambique. You can carry anything. It's a fridge truck. So believe me, you make money with it, because they are scarce in the market outside of South Africa. Plenty people are in need of these things. So if you invest in it, you do your research right, you go out there and look for contracts, then you definitely get rewarded. So work with me, investor. Buy this unit, go out there and conquer the world. Mercedes-Benz Axo 2528.